Are you an expert in your field? Are you an expert in the field of science, technology, engineering, medicine? Or are you in a field that's beyond that, such as sports, such as arts, or something else completely different? And are you also interested in using your expertise as a springboard for a green card in the future? If you answered yes to any of these questions, you may be a candidate for the O-1 Extraordinary Ability Visa. Now, in order to qualify as an expert in your field, you must demonstrate that you are an expert using 3 out of 10 different options. If you meet more than 3, that's great. We can still use that. So in no particular order, you can demonstrate you are an expert in your field by showing that you have a high salary in your field in the country that you work in. So for comparison purposes, if you work in Mexico, we're looking at Mexico-based salaries in comparison to your salary that you make in Mexico. Another way in which you can demonstrate that you're an expert is that you lead an organization. Whether you own or manage a business, whether you are in upper management or mid-level management, we can still show that because you have demonstrated enough competency that you have been selected to lead an organization because you can use your skill set, your expertise to lead other people. 3, we can demonstrate that you are an expert based on selection to elite membership organizations. That is more than just a local chamber of commerce. You have been selected to join some type of organization where other elite members have congregate and want you to join their ranks. This typically involves some type of testing process where you might go through a written exam, an oral exam, and some type of presentation before your peers. Another way you can demonstrate that you are an expert is if you write articles that other people in your field would read. That is, for example, if you are an engineer, you wrote articles that would appear in engineering journal magazines. Or if you're in sports, you write something that would appear in sport print magazines or sport print newspapers or something of that nature. The point's still made. Another way you can demonstrate that you're an expert is if people actually write about you, that you're the center of attention, that people recognize that you're an expert, and therefore people are writing about you. The point in this entire presentation is that you need to meet at least 3 out of 10 criteria that are being presented here. So what are the benefits of the O-1? Well, there are plenty of reasons that you should get an O-1 visa if you qualify. 1, you're getting the O-1 visa to live and work in America. The great thing about the O-1 is it's good for 3 years. You can renew it for 1 year and renew it indefinitely at 1-year increments. 2, both your spouse and your kids under age 21 can come with you and stay with you here in America. So they can obtain a driver's license, they can work potentially, they can also go to the local public school or public university. And 3, it's also an opportunity to work on your resume and either do a self-sponsorship green card, such as the EB-1A, or obtain sponsorship through a company through an EB-2 and EB-3 green card. There are a variety of different reasons why an O-1 visa may interest you. So the O-1 visa is a great opportunity to come live in America. You only need to meet 3 out of 10 requirements in order to obtain this visa. Now, one secret about the O-1 requirements is that these requirements can be fulfilled through a public relations company. That is, a public relations company can help you write articles and get them published in the proper medium. And a public relations firm can also help find mediums that will write about you being an expert in the field. Now, once you obtain the O-1, you can now start building your resume and potentially self-sponsor your own green card or find a company who will sponsor you for a green card itself. So if you're interested in coming to live in the United States because you're an expert and you want to use your skills here, and you meet 3 out of 10 requirements and are potentially interested in obtaining a green card in the future, just give us a call. We'd be happy to schedule an appointment, come up with a strategy, and plan a future for you to come live here on an O-1 visa and potentially obtain a green card throughout the process.